What's up, people? Welcome back to my channel, OnlineEarnHunter. So today I'm taking you through a quick review of PIA Proxy, which is a new proxy site. So basically they are saying it's similar to 911. They have all similar services. They have even compared the IP type. Both are residential. IP pool, proxy agreement, they're both SOX5. Their IPs are offer sticky session. This means that they are static IPs, they don't rotate. They are saying their IPs are special here, such that they target country and city, of which even 911 was doing the same. You can lock them by username and password. Speed, they're okay. Bandwidth, unlimited, compatible with the Android, Windows, iOS. 911 is only compatible to Windows. There is no refund policy because they fund through whatever, through cryptocurrency. So let's go to their pricing. Internet is taking slowly, man. So pricing, they have two types. They have popular plan and latest plan, and they sell right now there is an offer. The popular plan, they sell in terms of bundles, whereby if you buy 150 IPs, every day use an IP, you'll be charged 0.24 until all your balance is exhausted. So you deposit $36, you get 150 IPs, but every IP you'll be charged $0.24 for it. This is the lowest package under popular plan, and the highest package under popular plan has 9,000 IPs, and each IP is 0.05 per IP. Then there is the latest plan. The minimum is around 150 IPs, but a bit higher, 0.558 IP. I believe these IPs are more superior because they are more costly, and the highest is 9,000 IPs at a cost of $0.1 per IP. The features of all between those latest and popular, their features is the same. They have 180 plus countries around the world, 50 plus essential proxies, SOX5, success rate, ensure maximum anonymity. They are saying they have 24/7 email and information support, which I don't believe. I'll tell you why later on. So after that, that's about the pricing now. If you want how to fund your account, they have various ways. You can use credit cards, you can use cryptocurrency. They have local Chinese payment method. Then you can use Apple or Google Play. Then you complete your purchase. After you make your purchase, you should come to the home page and download their software. Just click download to download. It will be among your downloads here. So just click the folder where it is and install. I have already installed mine, so I want to install again. So whatever you install will be like this one now. You just log in, and here you can select IPs by country, state, city. You can search IP if you know a particular IP you're searching. ISP, you can search particular SSP, and you click start. After you put your details here, just click start, and all the IPs will appear here for the particular selection you selected. So if you want to how to use these IPs on various systems, just click here help, take you to the help page. They show you how to use. If you click Windows, you'll be shown how to use them on Windows. For Android system, how to use them on Android system, and all, yeah, like that. For example, if you get your IP, if you want to use them on a mobile phone, so let's say you want to search a particular country like Mexico, and a certain Mexico, an example they have given here. Just search this, click the start button. This is the start button here, and after you click, all the cities, all the IPs in Mexico under this city appear here. So if you want to forward, we have given a very good example. Just right click on any IP and then click forward port to proxy. you can forward the ports to any ports you can choose the number of ports you want. There's a place where you select the number of ports, or they are provided, sorry. So just right click on any IP, select forward port to proxy. You can forward here. So this is the number of ports available, and then after forwarding, you come under your client, just click the forward list and you see the IP you have forwarded. This is the IP you have forwarded through this this is called the local proxy. You have forwarded your IPs through the local proxy of their client to this port, which is going after you feed this IP and port on your proxy client. This is the IP which is going to appear on the public, whereby depending with the country and the city. For example, the one here is for Mexico and Apodaca city, which was selected by the example here. Yeah, just that. And this IP, and after you forward to this local proxy and port, you can use this tool to use on any device, whether it is a Windows browser like Firefox, or on an Android device proxy app. You can just input the IP, this one, and the port. You are good to go. Yeah, that's basically it about the proxy client. They are very similar to 911, because the 911 also had a proxy client. And the best thing about the proxy client, once you get your IPs here, if you want to use them on your system, you just click start proxy, and the IPs will be connected automatically on your computer. You don't have to use any other software on your laptop. But the one I showed you about forwarding is one you're using on your mobile device or any browser which is not part of this one. And when you're forwarding, make sure you're forwarding on the same network. You cannot use Wi-Fi here, then you forward the port used by another person in another country using another IP to not work. So another thing, I went to Black Hat World, where I search things. When I see a trending proxy site, I come here and check whether it's valid. But this one had a lot of ramming. People are complaining. For example, this guy said that do not buy from this proxy, the bot, and get scammed. I cannot use any of this proxy. I send support and mail, and they don't respond. The guy created this then. Oh, sorry. So there are so many people complaining, calling it a scam everywhere. That's why I have not even bought. Another concern I had about these guys. So I came to their site and click help here. We can ask question, and one of the questions asked, which caught my attention: how long can I use the proxy? And the question they said is, when you use a proxy, it costs one proxy balance from your account, which is normal, which supports up to 2 hours of usage. But our proxies are residential proxies. Please understand that the survival time of residential proxies is from a few hours to a few days, which is normal. And no wonder people are complaining because they are buying proxies and after a few hours they go offline. Others, they buy proxies but they go like for few days. But most of the people complaining are the one which are IPs are going offline after 2 hours, which is very, very dangerous. Because other proxy sites, you buy an IP and it goes for 24 hours, and if it goes offline, you are replaced with another one. So PIA 5 proxy are very good. If you get a good working IP, it can go for a few days without it going offline. But on a bad day, you can get an IP which only lasts for 2 hours, which is their guaranteed time, and it goes offline, and then you are forced now to buy another one, of which you are charged according to you are charged again on your balance. They don't offer a refund if it goes offline after 2 hours. But this one is the most limiting factor. This one has made me not to buy from them. But people who are lucky to get good proxies are saying it's the best. It's a very good site for static IPs, and many people are recommending it. So basically, that's my honest review about PIA 5 proxy. Make wise decisions when you are getting the proxy, and also do your own research the way I have done mine. Thank you for watching. keep it tuned to the next video. Thank you.